We live. We live. Give us a moment while I try to get all of the technical difficulties out the way. Everybody, good morning. Happy Friday. Today is July 28th, 2023. We are here. My name is MetaCrypto. I am one half of the Futures Connect. Got my guy, Next Trade Lou. He's the other half of the Futures Connect. And we are coming to you today to do our first live video, live trading. Me personally, I like to trade the NASDAQ. But today I will be trading three markets. I will be trading the NASDAQ, I will be trading the S&P 500, and I also will be trading crude oil. Ticker symbol CL. Ticker symbol for the ES, well, for the S&P 500 is the ES, and ticker symbol for the NASDAQ is the NQ. We trade the futures market. This market is open 23 hours a day, which allows us to capitalize on the market movements 23 hours a day, opposed to the regular New York Open, which opens at 9:30 and closes at 4. So yeah, let me make sure everything is good. Mic check. Can anybody hear me? Anybody in the chat? Type yes in the chat if you can hear me. Yes, sir. So, what I'm about to show you guys is a chart. It's going to be a chart that you most likely will not understand, but what we plan to do is to create educational videos for you guys to understand how we got to the point where we're at now. Me myself, I am a pure trend trader. But along with me being a trend trader, I also use other tools to help me make my decisions while I'm trading. And some of those tools are Fibonacci's. I use indicators as well. And I also have custom proprietary strategies that I use to help me get into the trade when I'm supposed to get into the trade, right? So I'm going to be doing my best to try to articulate what I'm doing as I'm going along. So y'all just take this ride with me. Let's go. All right, so what you have here, this is my NASDAQ chart, right? As we see, I'm not looking at candles. Why am I not looking at candles? Because I like to look at Renko bars. Renko bars for me, it takes the stress of looking at a whole bunch of different candles. Even though I do reference a candle chart, I trade off of the Renko bars. Renko bars is not governed by time. It is governed by money movement. It shows which way the money is moving, which helps me because I don't have to focus on all the different kind of candles, all the different kind of candle sets and all that kind of stuff. So for me, it works. Let me see. I am going to bring me up over here. All right, so again, we got the NASDAQ here. NASDAQ has been running up all night long, right? So up here is where my strategies are. I have a switch that allows me to go long or short, or long and short. This is my trend switch, which this is the trend right here. I have my colors. Everything on my chart is cosmetic and is symbolic to me. But at the end of the day, like I say, it's all cosmetic. Excuse me. So me see here. Down here we have everything you see on this chart is there's a lot of indicators going on. There's a lot of indicators which help, again, like I say, it helps me make my decisions when I'm trading. What I'm looking for here is for this to break the trend line, and once it breaks the trend line, I'm going to be in a trend trade. What you see here is an ATM. On this ATM, it is very, very, very important. I mean, very, 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 very important. It is important because you never want to be in a trade and not have protection. And that protection is your predefined stop and your predefined target. So I have all of that built into a strategy, so I really don't have to worry about this over here. So I'm going to go ahead. This is called a chart trader. This allows me to get in manually into these. It allows me to take trades manually, enter, exit, see how much I'm up, so on and so forth. This here is an indicator as well. It's an automatic break even and stop loss indicator that allows me to protect profits when I feel the need to. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. It's going to be all chart. All right, so like I said before, it is 9:18 a.m. in the morning. We have the New York Open that opens at the New York Open, which opens at 9:30. So we're going to look to see some movement. Now here I'm going to turn on my price action, which all of this will be explained in the upcoming videos. So this is, like I said, this is the first video. This is just a sneak peek. This is me getting a feel for going live, broadcasting my trading, so on and so forth. All right. Oh, I'm out. Hold on, guys. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mic check. Kason said check Discord mic. Kason, Guan, what's going on, brother? I'm not streaming live on Discord. It's one of my trading partners. We typically be on Discord taking these trades, but right now we're not. So we're streaming live on YouTube. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get everything streamed in the same place, but for now, this is what we got. All right, so NASDAQ has moved up. The NASDAQ and the ES has moved up substantially overnight. As you can see, it's been in an uptrend all night long. Now, along with tools to help me make decisions, I'm not even, let me see.
You can hear me here in Discord, I'm sure.
Oh, my bad.
But I'm hearing you clearly in Discord, so I'm not sure where.
I'm about to get out of here. Okay, I'm out of Discord.
Order submitted.
Okay, so as you see, y'all, we're in a price action trade to the upside. So, and again, like I say, we're gonna go over a lot of this stuff in the upcoming videos. But price action trade to the upside, this is my target. This is what I mean by protection. Always want to have protection. If price comes to this, it's going to take me out for a loss. If it hits here, it's going to take me out for a winner. It's going to be a target met, which means that I made money. Let's see here. Yeah, so we just sit and wait. What you see here, these are ticks, right? Ticks is a unit of measurement in the futures market. One tick for the NASDAQ equals $5. If we were in the micros, it would be 50 cents. So we're looking to hit the target here. Okay, we got the chat going. Good looking out, Casey. Appreciate that. I didn't know my microphone was still on in Discord. All right, so one of the key things about trading, what I've learned from one of the greatest traders that I've ever seen trade, and you will learn this as well when it comes to other traders as well, that would tell you don't focus on the money, focus on the process. The reason I have this set on ticks is because I don't want to see the dollar amount, but for educational purposes, so you guys can see it real time. I'm going to turn this on real quick and see that there. So you can change this to see money, percentage. I don't know what this is yet, but I'll find out that either. And these are ticks. All right. So we're gonna keep it like that. We're gonna keep that. We're gonna hide that. And also, you can, there's other tools that we use to calculate our risk and reward. So I'm risking 210 to make 210. So this is a 1-to-1 trade. Let me make sure. No, I'm sorry. It is 185, which is 75% of 210 when I'm risking. So I have that set in my strategy that I want for my price action trades. I want to get 75% of what I'm risking. Now here you can go. This is 68. This is 61.8%. Let me see. This is give me one moment.
Order canceled.
So it's 9:25. I have an alert that tell me when the market is about to open. Uh-oh, what happened? I lost my brackets. Well, don't panic. Go in there, add them. There you go. So I changed my data series, so it changed the actual. It took my brackets away for some reason. We'll figure that out later. Like I said, guys, this is the first video. This is a test. So of course we expect to make mistakes. That's how we get better if we don't fail. So yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm attaching my stop to this indicator. No, that's not it. All right, so now we just sit and wait. 90% of trading is sitting and waiting. That's it. Sitting and waiting, sitting and waiting. We got 3 minutes before the market open. So we just sit and wait. golden ratio target. I'm gonna take that golden ratio target 61.8, and we just sit and wait. You see that oil? I'm looking over here at oil. Oil is doing a really big drop, really big
Target
drip.
filled.
See, that's a target. Target filled. That is a target filled. So now to show you guys, $191. Well, actually it's 160, but if you take out commissions, and plus I think I was already up 20 something dollars. Let me duplicate this tab. So because we have a strategy on this on this chart, on this tab right here, it's not going to show us our entries and exits. So I created another one. Here, enter here, take profit there. $160 and some change in what? How long was that? I entered at 9:21, exited at 9:27. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. These markets are very lucrative, people. Very lucrative. Where can you go and make $160 in 6 minutes? I don't think nowhere, unless you're in the streets. Unless you're in the streets. But yeah. All right. So I just turned my buttons on as well for the ES and oil. I might have missed the oil trade. The oil market just opened at 9 a.m. The oil market is a little bit different from the New York market. They have their own market open time. Just like with gold as well. Gold has its own market open time. So you see this here, this is an indicator. This little green line is an indicator that lets me know what the opening price is. This is very important because this could be a level of support and resistance, right? So now we're in a mode where we should be in a mode of what's called closing the gap. Closing the gap means that it's gonna take a trade right here. Oh, what happened? Okay, daily profit reached. All right. So let me go in here and change some things. Trend. Oh, no. That ain't right. Anyway, we're gonna F5 it. It's almost like a reboot. Gotta turn the indicators off, then F5. And turn them back on. Okay, so now we gotta wait. You see the trend change? The trend changed right here. But we've been bullish all night.
Order submitted.
But like I say again, I just took a trade on the ES, a price action trade. Let me see if we can bring that over here. ES here. Oh, here we go.
Order
Oh,
canceled.
well, that was fast. That was a target on the ES. See the price? See, it changed up here because it's in the same account. Wasn't able to get that over to you guys fast enough. It's okay. All right. But let me see. Okay. All right. Quick transition, guys. So this is the ES chart. You see it took a price action trade here, which we call it go time, and it sold here. That's all I need. That's all I want. Right there. I'm good with that right there. If you take a bunch of these, you don't need to be in a trade too long.
Order submitted.
Now we back with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is in a trade. Let's see what the NASDAQ doing. Hold on. Okay. Now we back in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ took a price action short to the downside. Target, stop. That's what we're looking for. And if it comes up and stops us out, it's okay. It's a part of the game. Take the next trade. Get the losses out the way, get back to winning. So again, like I was saying, typically when the market moves away from its yesterday's close price, if it moves far away from that close price, typically at 9:30, data says that most of the market participants, they're looking to close that gap in price. Now we've moved substantially away from the open price. So right now we're looking to at least close 25% of the gap. 50% of the gap is good. 75% of the gap close is great. 100% is perfect. So now, like I say, we just sit and wait. Things that I'm paying attention to on the chart is how price is moving. Psychological numbers here, like 15,750. You got 15,750, 15,725, 15,775. So basically the quarters, 25, 50, 75, and 100, which is a solid dollar. And we're looking like we're going to go ahead and hit a target. But remember, guys, I told you, we got the open price right here, which could be support or resistance. Right now, they're trying to push through it.
Order canceled.
And that is a target. Now we are in the ES. The ES has a trade that is in. We're going to go ahead and look at the ES. As we see, I'm going to go ahead and fix my target because I don't want it to, if it does want to change the trend, I don't want it to keep me in a trade when the trend has already changed. Like I say, we are day traders. Me and my team of people who I've been trading with throughout this whole time, we are day traders. You got some people who are swing traders. Some swing traders. What happened?
Order canceled.
Oh, that was a check on oil, but I didn't have any brackets up. I gotta check that out. All right, so we're looking for the ES and the NASDAQ to close the gap. Like I say, we sit and wait. Right now, we up $500. We up $500. Typically, a person would be done for the day. $500 in a half an hour, I'm done for the day. But for educational purposes, we here, we trading, we live. Let's go. Looking at the oil market is falling. Falling. Waiting on the ES to go ahead and make its move down to our target. Target at 45.8725. 23.6 could be support. And when I say 23.6, as you can see, 23.6 is a Fibonacci. Now I have Fibonacci's on the whole day, which is very important. Fibonacci is a very important indicator. Excuse me. Fibonacci is a very important indicator, not only in these markets, but you can apply the Fibonacci to pretty much anything structural, anything, period. And
Order submitted.
again, that'll be in a different video. So it looks like NASDAQ is running up here. We may be taking a loss on the ES, but it's okay because we got NASDAQ pushing up to a target. See that? One tick away. One tick away. But it's okay. Like I say, we trading. We are trading. This is the kind of stuff that happens. Oh, you guys not even seeing
Order
NASDAQ.
submitted.
Uh-oh. Now we in two NASDAQ trades now, price action and trend. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys over there so you can see. Two NASDAQ trades.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
ES was a loss, NASDAQ was a check. Looks like the ES is pushing up. I'm gonna go ahead and attach my stop here to the trend line just in case you want to act a little
Order
funky.
canceled.
That's a target. We up 749.25. 9:40 in the morning. Let's go, y'all. We got Ty in the building. What up, Ty? I've been wanting to say this for a long time, y'all. Type yes in the chat. Just for no reason. Type let's go. Type something in the chat. Give me some ones in the chat. Give me some ones in the chat.
Order submitted.
We are in a, I don't know why my CL is not giving me brackets. Okay, I found out. All right, so I'm going to bring over CL as well. So you guys, how you guys take a look. Hopefully I can get it done before It hits target.
Order canceled.
Oh, that was a target. I'm gonna bring over CL to you guys anyway. Let you take a look at that. All right, so as you see, CL has been in a complete downtrend, so it's taking price action trades. 75%. 75% of the risk is there. Another one there. Targets. We up $819.25 since we started streaming. So now we are not in any trades at all. So we're just waiting. We're just sitting and waiting. But guess what, y'all? We actually up $789.29. But guess how much we had to pay for that $789.29? $29.96 in commissions. You can look at it as fees. You can look at it as taxes, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pay that. I'm going to pay that to get where we're at now. So same way we go to work, pay taxes, be in this market, pay fees. It's fees everywhere. I don't even care about it. As long as I'm plus positive on the day. And even if I'm not, it's okay. It's a part of the game. Every day is not going to be a winning trade. Every day is not going to be a winning day, but you take the losses along with the wins and you keep going. Let's go. So now I'm looking at here, I see 15,800. That is a major resistance. Excuse me. That's a major resistance. Major resistance. Let me see here. Oh, no, not the group.
Order submitted.
So we're in a NASDAQ price action to the upside. And we also in a ES price action to the upside. Let's go ahead and bring those guys over. Well, we're going to bring over the NASDAQ first. Right? NQ. Let's go. Now, once I hit target on this NASDAQ, I'm going to button off because, like I say, 15,000.
Order canceled.
All right, so button off. We're gonna wait and see what they're trying to do around this area. The ES, we're gonna bring that over. See what they talking about. The ES is close to target. We're gonna see. This is a price action trade on the ES. Move my target up, move my stop up. So if it wants to take a trend trade, I'll be able to do so. What you don't want to do is you don't want to be in a position where you're going both directions. When you're going long and you're going short.
Order
when I say
submitted.
go long, that means going to the upside. When I say go short, it means go to the downside. Now also we are in a CL trade. I'm gonna bring that over as well. CL trend trade. We're in a CL trend trade, and we're looking to 79.57 on oil. So let's go. It's looking really good today, y'all. It's looking really good today. And but see, also one thing that we learn as traders is to pay attention to certain levels that may be resistance. Like this 38.2 is resistance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my stop to a break even.
Order
See,
canceled.
I'm going to take that profit. I'm okay if it start running because I know that the 38.2 is a area where it could have been possible resistance. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. It's okay. A win is a win. So let's go back to the ES. We got the ES going. And the ES is kind of struggling up in this area. Like I said, the NASDAQ is close to 15,800, which is a psychological support and resistance area. And when I say psychological, I mean that a lot of the big institutions, they don't transact at the small numbers.
Order
They like
canceled.
that's a target on the ES. So right now we up 1,200. We up 1,200 in less than an hour. And again, guys, this is a simulated environment, but that really doesn't matter because the same thing I'm doing in sim is the same thing I can do in the real environment. Now, NASDAQ, you see here, I'm going to bring NASDAQ over, and this is one of the beauties of having a proprietary strategy, right? When you set your strategy to say, hey, look, I'm only going to go for a certain amount of money today. That strategy says daily profit reached, it will not take any more trades. Cool. Excuse me. That's great. So right now we're done with the NQ. So we're going to focus on CL and the ES. The ES is at 4,600.75. That also is a area of resistance, but it seemed like it's breaking through. So right now we're just waiting on another price action to the upside for the ES. Also, we have to keep in mind as well that these markets have ranges, right? So if you look at the range for the month, 20 days back, 20 trading days back, the ES typically runs about 213 points. Right now, it's at 257 points, 257.75. I'm sorry. The ES right now is at 43.75 points. It typically runs about 39.50 points on the 20-day average. So, with that being said, right now, we don't know where it's trying to go because it's already moved past its average. For me, that lets me know, okay, they're trying to get somewhere. So I'm going to bring over my minute chart. Let me see. Now this minute chart, it is a candle chart. And remember when I said earlier, I like to reference candle charts. This is why I like to reference candle charts, because I can see on a bigger scale exactly what, not exactly to the exact, but I can try to get a feel of where this price is trying to go, right? So I'm gonna bring this up here, and I'm going to bring over this screen here. Give me a second, y'all. I appreciate the patience. Well, I'm just trying to do a thing.
Order submitted.
All right. Okay, we in the oil trade to the upside. Let me bring up oil real quick. CL. Oh, hold on. We in the oil trade. price action oil trade to the upside. Oil then ran up so much. Now they covering, they taking profits. So, like I say, I'm a trend trader. What we're gonna do is we just gonna ride the trend with them. Now you see, it came to the 50% of the entire day, which means that from the top to the bottom, this is the halfway mark. Typically, the order flow mindset says that the people who are shorting all the way down here, they're taking profits and also getting a discount up here, 50% off, and going to try to push it back down some more, as you see that they're doing now. So hopefully we can get a retest of the 50% and take some profits off the table and keep going. They tried to break it here. They were unsuccessful. So we just wait and see. Just wait and see what they trying to do. While we waiting, y'all, shout out to my group, man. Shout out to my guy Next Trade Lou. Shout out to my
Order
mentor,
submitted.
Belinci. You know, shout out to Ty. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Bird. Everybody in our group, man. Everybody in our group is amazing. Everybody in our group, you know, we all feed off each other. We all put in the work. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. So yeah, we just sit and wait. We just sit and wait. Uh-oh, we are in a ES uptrend price action trade. We're gonna see what this. We're gonna see what the ES try to do. I mean, see what oil try to do. If they trying to go up here and retest the 50% of the day, or they're gonna, the short sellers gonna go ahead and buy that discount. What they want to do. Now, typically, emotionally, I'd be like, I want to protect some profits. What should I do? What should I do? But set your stop, set your target, and you got to be okay with the loss and the win. But
Order canceled.
target. Also, there becomes a time where you have to be strategic to be like, okay, I know this is an area of support. I know this is an area of resistance. I am going to go ahead and protect some profit just in case it tries to reverse on me. And that's okay. Everything is not going to be 100%. We have to use our discretion. You're not right. You're not wrong. Because this is, no decision is not 100%. Let me bring over ES since we out of this oil trade. All right, so we got the ES here, and we have ES been running up a lot. Now, what I will say is we are above the solid dollar, and typically the ES has really moved its range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to button off. I'm going to button off, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because this hasn't been a phenomenal day, guys. We up almost 1,300. We're going to see what this ES trade do. This has been a phenomenal morning. I don't know nowhere where you can go to work and make anywhere from $1,000 to $1,300 in an hour. What are you gonna do with that? I'm gonna be honest with you. I come from a poverty-stricken area. Come from a poverty-stricken family. We wasn't taught this stuff in school. They don't teach us this stuff in school, and it's for a reason, y'all. It is for a reason. But we here now. Shout out to the Futures Connect, man. Shout out to the Syndicate. Where we at, man? Let me give everybody a shout out, man. Everybody deserves a shout out, man. Look, shout out to T-Bone. Shout out to shout out to Antonio. Shout out to my boy Brandon, Kaysen, Lonzo, Pedro. You know what I'm saying? Wizzle, JT, Amina, Lala, Malik, Suki, Trish, Tivo, everybody. All these people is a part of the team, man. All these people is a part of the team, and we steady growing and growing and growing. Let's go. We got news. Oh, let me give you my candle chart real quick. I can still give you the ES. So this is the candle chart, y'all. So I do reference the candle chart to help me make decisions as well. Here, this is where we have the average. I told you guys that, you know, there's a daily average that these markets move. Yesterday, they was totally out of pocket. They went well, double, triple, almost triple the average. A little over double. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't forget. I said it earlier, but shout out to Ty. Shout out to Ty. One of the hardest working female traders I know. She came into the group and went from a rookie to an OG fast. Fast. Let's go. But again, like I say, you got to put in that work, man. We didn't put in a lot of work. This ain't just start today. We didn't put in a lot of work. Now we at a point now where we can really look and understand and try to dictate what we doing to the world. This is it. This is it. Let me go ahead and I should have been shared this to my Instagram. Let's go, ES. So now, see, let me get to it real fast because I want to show you guys something. All right, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and protect some profits here on the ES because again, like I say, it already shows
Order
some
canceled.
See, it shows some resistance right there, and I'm cool. I'm fine with that. I'm cool with this is a great day, guys. It's Friday. We up 1350. You can go enjoy the rest of your day now. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Go enjoy your family. Go enjoy life how we supposed to enjoy it. Not after 8 hours. But I'm not knocking nobody who's working 8 hours. But just know that, listen, learn a skill that can change your life. Let me see here. We got Bird in the building. Bird say he's looking like Kwanzaa up in here. You already know. Hey, I'm pro-black. Let's go. So again, y'all. So this. I'm pretty much done for the day. This was a sample to show you guys what we've learned, what day trading in the futures market is, and it's gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be a lot more content. Trust me. So you already know. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this with everybody that you know. Let's go.